Hi, I'm JB, I'm the head chef here at GROW2EO. So here we're doing loads of different soups. Always when I do a soup, like what I like to see, like it's just a balance of taste a lot. So when, for example, like if I do a carrot soup, it's very sweet. So I'm going to try to balance it a little bit with some acid to try to balance it out. So some acid, you could finish it with a little bit of cider vinegar, or a bit of pickled veg, or a bit of salsa verde on top, or something like that to try to balance the taste. Or if it's too bitter, like for example when you do a kale soup or a cabbage soup, or when you put some citrus fruit in the soup, it could get very bitter. So in that case, you can just try to bring more sweetness into it. So you add more carrots or more onions to bring some natural sweetness. And in the taste as well, what I like to put in the soup always is to put some fennel or some celery, some freshness into it to put it alive a bit. So that's for the balance of taste and for the texture. So for example, like you have two different types of soups really. So you have the smooth soups, which to make them nice and smooth and nice and creamy, the best way is to finish them with a little bit of butter or to finish them with a bit of olive oil to create an emulsion. So it will be nice and creamy. Otherwise, if it's chunky, be sure you're not overcooking your pulses or your veg at the end, or a little bit of diced veg that you put inside. Nice big bite into it is very, very interesting as well. Otherwise, just to finish, for the color of the soups. For example, if you make a kale soups, you don't want a brown soup, you want a green soup. So you don't overcook your veg to start. And a good trick when you use green vegetables, you pre-blanch them before. So you put them in boiling water, put them in icing water, and that's going to fix the chlorophyll inside the leaves. So the soup will stay nice and green and bright. And so get creative and enjoy cooking them. And best of luck for the rest of your GROW2EO journey.